Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Select a pure, veterinary-grade fish oil labeled for pets or human pharmaceutical grade. Impurities and oxidation reduce benefits. Use a high-quality fish oil with at least 300 mg EPA plus DHA per teaspoon. Dose adult cats at 20-30 mg combined EPA plus DHA per kilogram daily, calculated from your cat's weight. Avoid supplements with vitamin A over 10, 000 IU per serving, because excess vitamin A can harm cats. Prefer liquid triglyceride forms over ethyl esters for absorption. Plan administration methods before you begin. Consistency matters. Give oil with food to reduce stomach upset and improve absorption, mixing into wet food or a small treat. Use 0.25 5 ml syringe for accuracy when small volumes are needed, or measure teaspoons for larger cats. Start with half the dose for 7 days and then increase to the calculated full dose to monitor tolerance. If your cat resists, try flavored pet toppers or place oil on a strong-smelling bite, but avoid forcing into the mouth if very stressed. After starting supplementation, monitor your cat daily for adverse effects and improvements in mobility or coat shine. Watch for vomiting, diarrhea, or bleeding, which can indicate intolerance or excessive anticoagulant effects. Recheck weight and coat every 4 weeks and record any changes in appetite or stool frequency to guide adjustments. Stop if bleeding occurs and consult your vet immediately. Bring the supplement label. For long-term use, schedule veterinary rechecks, including blood work every 6 months, to assess liver function, clotting, and to confirm the dose remains appropriate for weight changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.